It's everyone's favorite assembly of the year, this Friday, where Stuco will be revealing the prom theme. At the last assembly, there were tons of fun when watching the teachers play musical chairs, even when it got a bit hectic. We also see mesmerizing performances from the dance and cheer who bring out all of our school spirit. And students also get to participate and volunteer in games or chants. So make sure to be ready to cheer your heart out on this Friday, and we cannot wait to see you there.